What's your wildest story that sounds too far-fetched to be true? I tried to get a guy's attention on the highway by shouting at him going 60 miles per hour. I was trying to ask about his car. He noticed me and shouted something back that sounded like, "Do you want to jerk each other off?" Obviously I misheard him, so sped up and got off on my exit. He also got off. I turned right. He also turned right. I realized he was likely following me and prepared to explain myself and try to avoid a fight. Eventually I parked on my friend's street and he drove past, only to turn around and park down the street. So as I'm walking to my friend's, we meet in the middle of the road and I immediately start explaining my question. He answered it and says, "Yeah, did you hear what I said?" Seeing an opportunity for a funny moment, I told him it sounded like he asked if I wanted to jerk each other off. And he said yes. I told him no, I'm okay, and he dapped me up, wished me a good day and got back in his car. Dude was so chill and normal looking I couldn't believe what just happened, lol. It makes for a great story.